Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please yes, yes. Okay, thank you.
Hi guys. Saseni, mkoaje? How have you been? How has your week been? My week has been tough, to say the least. It's been so fast, but I thank God, I thank God for this one. So today, as you can already read from the intro, today we are going to try with something, and I can only just hope isilipue huku. So today I have company. Puss, puss. Come say hi. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Puss. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. So, guys, I was saying I had my hair done yesterday, and I'll be showing you the photo of what I told the lady to do to my hair versus what she did. Just tell me in the comment section what you think. Did she manage, or is it a no, or is it a yay? You'll tell me. You'll let me know what you think. Anyway, so today we are making Oreo cake. Oreo cake with eggs in the microwave. And we are trying. I'm not saying we are doing it. We are trying. I've never done this before, so I'll be doing it on camera for the first time. So I'm trying. So let's see how it turns out. If it blows, ni sawa. If it turns out okay, ni sawa. Let's keep an open mind and see how it goes, right? Sawa. So these are the ingredients we're going to be needing today. These are 2 eggs. This is Oreo. Yay, Oreo. This milk. There's sugar. We're not going to be needing all that sugar. I'm just, just showing you what I'm using. There's Blue Band. There's baking powder. And there's flour, if you like to call it flour. And of course, the microwave. Do you see me? Yes. So our microwave doesn't have convention. So I don't know if we're going to be grilling, or I just don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just, let it flow. Let it flow. So we're going to start with crushing our Oreo. These are Oreo. Nilikuwa nimekula zingine. You need to put back what's left in the carton so that it doesn't lose its crunchiness, yeah? So we're going to start with crushing our Oreo. This is our Oreo. This is the much you're going to need. So let's crush it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we're going to start. We're going to just use the normal method of baking a cake. I'm going to show you in a while, and as you can tell, I got a little Oreo on myself. Nilikuwa naonja. So anyway, how do you start? How do you bake a cake? What do you start with? You start with sugar and Blue Band. You mix until it's white, it creams. So let's do that. Here's my sugar. We're going to, because we're trying, we're not going to use a lot. We can just use this one of these serving spoons, or two. Yeah, let's use two. Let's use 2 serving spoons of sugar. This is about how many grams? I don't know. We are estimating with our eyes. So let's sugar, then blue band. Let's get our blue band. This is our blue band. We're not going to use a lot. Let's use this much. Next up, mix these 2 ingredients until they are white, until it's a cream, you know, yeah. So let's do that. You can use the rubbing in method or the whipping. Guys, your girl had to change her outfit really quickly because of that stain, and as you can see, I'm wearing a DSTV t-shirt. So let me show you the progress so far. See how it looks? Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need your DSTV installed, if you need GoTV installed, please holler at me. I will link you to someone, a verified person who will fix your DSTV and fix your GoTV for you. So this is how it looks. This is just blue band and sugar. So the next step is eggs. We're going to be adding eggs in here. Yay! We added our egg into this. So let's mix. So this is how our egg, blue band and sugar concoction looks like. You see that? Now this is the step where you add your flavorings. Guys, as you can tell, the consistency is already too thick, so I'll be using my milk for that, just to make it a little lighter. Yeah, it is done. This is the consistency we were looking for. Let me show you. You can see that it's dropping. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Let's grill it. Oh, cool. Ooh, what's the worst that can happen, yeah? Let's just grill it. Let's add it 5. I hope it works. Wow, look at that, guys. We did it. It's ready. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Wow, see. Look at our cake. It's done. I think it's ready. It's very, very spongy. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. So Wow.
Save the songs for you when you put down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you